Hello and welcome back to Remoto. So as the title of the video says, today we are going to be reviewing the Oxford Pro Premium heat grips, whatever they're called, but they're the integrated heat grips. Of course we're back on barrel. We've got an absolute crack of a day. Look how flat that ocean is out there. It's absolutely stunning. But like I do with all my reviews, and hope you enjoy my style of reviews, I don't just sit here and yak about them. I get on the bike, we go for a ride, and we have a little bit of a yarn. So with that, let's get on and let's just do it. Oh, she sounded healthy today. Summer's finally coming out for New Plymouth. We'll get on the road and I'll tell you if these heated hand grips are shit or not. This road is absolutely terrible here. You saw the rocks on the road just then. Alright, so these Oxford Heated Hand Grips Pro integrated. So these ones are a little bit different from the normal offering that Oxford offer. So the typical offering that Oxford offer, they have like a box or a panel that normally goes on the dash or on your handlebar. Normally here it's got a bunch of buttons or a knob or something like that. Many people have them, lots of bikes have them. Me personally, when I was designing this bike and what I wanted with my vision, that kind of style didn't sit with how I wanted it, with more the clean styling of the bike. Sorry, I got distracted. I thought the person was just going to pull out in front of me then. So I spent a little bit more and I went with these Oxford integrated grips. Now these have been so amazing. Only negative I can draw out of these is, well, one, price, but two is just, man, they're hot. When they call them hot grips, they're definitely hot grips. These ones they were so easy to install. Literally was two wires from either grip into the headlight bucket, and then from the headlight bucket back to the battery. That was it. They turn off after the bike turns off by itself. It's all intelligent, and the install was a piece of cake. I had to, smooth off the throttle tube here, so they slid on. The installation was real easy. I did a little bit different. Rather than putting like the super glue on and then sliding them on, I slid the grips on 90% and put a little bit of glue on the grip, and then that last 10% I slid on with the glue, and then the ends of the grips I actually lifted up with a screwdriver and just put some glue underneath, and they've just been rock solid. Another thing is the comfort of these grips is very nice. Like, they're much nicer than the standard Deceptor grips. They're a little bit more chunky, they're nice to hold, and they're just doing a great job. I can't fault them. They've got 3 modes, so how you turn it on is there's a button on the right hand side, one here. You hold it down, I think it's about 5 seconds. You see it, they will come on, probably can't see it, but they have is this person indicating as well to go, or are they going straight? They're going straight. So that's on hot right now, and I'll let you know when I start feeling the heat, but these come on awfully quick. They heat up awfully quick. The heat is, even on the low setting, I can't keep them on at the moment during, I guess you'd call it spring weather. It's not really sunny or winter, it's kind of mid. I can start feeling the heat coming through my palms right now. They're starting to ramp up. So even on low, these grips are literally hot grips. I normally turn them on, leave them on for a couple of minutes, warm up my hands, and then turn them off because it gets too much. Other than that though, I guess you could complain about the price on these grips. The grips itself, they're about twice the price of your standard heated grips. These cost me like 330 New Zealand dollars, which I think equates to, I think about twice, because I think your standard set costs you about 160. But man, the clean looks of these, just how easy they are to operate, one button. My hands are getting very toasty right now. Oh, so toasty! Why so toasty? I'm gonna have to turn that off. I'm gonna turn that down. We'll see how long I can last on low. My hands are getting really warm. So, would I recommend these heated hand grips? Oh, hell yeah. I'd recommend even the cheaper pair. If you can just buy any type of heated hand grip, I would definitely buy heated hand grips. They've absolutely changed my life with motorcycling. Failing if you don't want to put heated hand grips on, get heated gloves, man. I've done quite a few trips now where my hands have just been like ice blocks. Like I couldn't feel my fingers. I didn't know how much braking pressure I was putting on the front brake. It was not fun times. I was putting my hands on the engine covers, trying to heat them while moving. I've had some really terrible times, and now I've got these heated hand grips. My God, life changer. If you can put heated hand grips on your bike, you will thank me later. You will thank me later. My hands are getting way too hot, so to turn these off, you basically hold that down. You can see it changed to, probably can't see it change to red, but now they're off. It's just plain and simple how they work. The grips are actually got a real nice grippy feeling. Like the old Interceptor grips had like a plastic feeling. These grips are like more rubberized, and the grip that you get from them on your hands is really nice. They're really sticky. They really hold on to you. Anyway, we're gonna do our obligatory 0 to 100 pull here, and then I'm pretty much just gonna sign off the video right there. Okay, that's that car. Let's see how far we can catch up. There we go. Alright people, that's been another episode of Remoto. A nice quick easy, holy shit, these grips are amazing, buy them if you can. If you can buy the cheaper versions, do that. Just buy heated grips, because your life will change for the better. So, if you've got heated hand grips, and you love them, comment down below how much you love them, because I'm converted now. I'm so converted. So on that, we'll catch you on another time, and thanks for tuning into Remoto. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will catch you later.